So I have a problem with my Hotpoint oven in that it won't heat up to the full temperature, my top oven, with this one. So I suspect it is my element at the bottom. My top element I only replaced a couple of years ago and it was working fine as a grill, but there's one under here that's probably been here since new. It's a good maybe 15 years old, so I'm going to replace it. I'll show you what to do. First of all, make sure you turn your cooker off and you're messing with the electrics of it. So you need to undo the 4 screws that are attaching your built-in oven to your cupboard so that you can slide it out. Once you've slid the oven out, as you can see, I've got mine rested on a stool, so I haven't got to unplug it, and also I'm on my own, so it's a bit heavy for me. So to do this job, you're going to have to remove all the panels from the sides, top and back. It is fairly straightforward. It's just 1, 2, 3 screws, 4 screws, mind this one because it's the only thing that attaches the front to your oven, and this is just a slider. Same on the other side. The top is just the 4 screws, 1, 2, same on the other side, and the back, oh, the top has got, you just need to loosen these 2 at the back here because it just slots into it, the top. You don't have to take them out, and then there's 4 on the back. 1, 2, and 2 the other side. Just a short word of warning, on each side, these screws at the top here are the only thing that's holding the front of your oven on. So just be careful when you take them off that you stabilise your top there, because obviously you've got all your electrics on the back of that. The other point to make is that the back has got 2 bits in it, that one down the bottom here as well, that slot into the side of this one. So when you're refitting it, make sure you do this side first. So you can see this side is where your element goes. I've already taken the old one out so that I can order the right one. But you'll see that the insulation is tied in, and the only way you can get that off to get your tray and your element replaced is from undoing it on this side. So that's why that panel has to come off. With the side panel off, you can see where the element sits in here. So just remember the way the wires are. Take a photo if you need to. We're just going to take this out. Just make sure you remove the screw that was in here, and then that will allow you to take it out. You can see it in there, look. So that's the new one, just slotted in there. Put some tin foil underneath it. The one that was under there already all mushed up when I took the old one out. Now refer back to your photo so that you can rewire it and put it all back together. There we go, all back together. Insulation all down, wiring in. Don't forget your screw in the middle there just to hold the element in place. And around the other side we have the wire done back up to keep the insulation tight. Now we can put all the panels back on. Side panels first, then your back panel, then your top panel.